Hey y'all, well I gotta tell you, I've got this huge haul to do, and I didn't mean for it to be this huge, so let's get to it. Alright, so first and foremost, I have purposely zoomed in so that you can see this stuff up close. Was this expensive? Yes. What is the brand? I hope I'm pronouncing this right. Florasis. Isn't this a beautiful box? It's kind of a teal green with gold hardware. And I have not opened it yet. Not pretty. It's got Asian writing. I don't know if it's Japanese or Korean. I think it's Korean. But you can see that's another language. Let me get my little scissors. This is to prove to you this is a true unboxing. I've yet to open this. And this is quite a little box. I shouldn't have done this, but you know, I'm not going to keep that. I'll keep this box though. Box is beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Okay. Look, it's got all these little writings in, I don't know if it's Mandarin or Japanese or Korean. I don't know what that is in, but it's clearly another language. Okay. Oh, and look right here. I really should investigate the brand more. But see, right there, there's definitely some language stuff here. Beautiful presentation. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my gosh, it's got a mirror. And these little things. Oh my gosh, it looks like it could be like either for makeup or jewelry. I don't know why it's got this little pull out, because I don't feel anything pulling out. And I don't want to pull it too hard. But I feel like I see something right there and I can't figure out what it is. Oh, it does come out. Oh, you know what it is? It's got a place here for getting ready. That's what these ridges are for. But you could use it for a jewelry box. Do you see? So it's got, you can put it for that ridge, or maybe this ridge. Like that. So you can get ready. Gives you a mirror. Okay. I don't think I'd use it that way. If anything, I might use this as a jewelry box. Okay. So what else? What's inside? I can't figure this out, y'all. How do you get in? Wait. It's like a puzzle box. There's a little tab. So let's just... It hit me in the chin. Ooh, this is like suede silk, y'all. This is beautiful. Oh, look, another pull tab. Oh, wow. Y'all, this is like a true jewelry box. You could use this as a jewelry box. That's beautiful. There's nothing in it. So you could either make this as a makeup box or a jewelry box. It's up to you. The fact that it has a mirror, you could use it for both. It's got this little plastic cover over. It's pretty gold to make sure that you don't scratch it up. That's okay. I'll leave it on there. Okay, so that's first and foremost. Right, next, let's see. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Look what all came, y'all. That says Chico's. I had to throw it all in a bag. I'm just going to go through one thing after another, y'all. First and foremost, it's all in another language. I think it's Korean. I can't tell. We'll link it all below. There we go. I'll just keep this right here. So I need to open it and open it and open it and open it. Lots of opening, y'all. Oh my gosh. I can tell this is going to be a while. Alright, I'm hurrying. Okay, how do you open this end? Hold please. My poor little thumbs. Oh my gosh, I just tore the box. Oh well. I'm not trying to make the box pretty. But they are. Wow, okay. This is too hard to get in. I hate when they make the boxes so tight I can't even get in them. I'm trying. Here we go. What is that? Look. Ooh, that looks like a lipstick case to me. Wow, let me see. Oh wow, there's something down there. Ooh. That's that's pretty. It looks like a little jeweled tassel. Y'all, I can tell you right now, these people are about presentation, and I'm 100% with it. I feel like if you have got a beautiful product, you make it pretty. I could drink water if it's in tons of water if it's in the prettiest case. Oh, look at this, y'all. Isn't that pretty? So look at this tassel. It's got like a teal emerald kind of a color. It's got a little bit of a blue to it with this beautiful tassel. It looks like rose gold. And it's got a lobster claw clasp, and there's a hook right here, so you hook it on and make it really pretty. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty, y'all. What is it? Oh, it's a lipstick case. How does it work? I don't know. How do you get it out of there? Ah! Y'all, you gotta see this. There's a secret button. Watch. I'm gonna put it on. Ooh. Wow, that's very crimson. Y'all. You gotta see this. Oh my gosh. Look at the engraving on the lipstick. I'm gonna wait until this completely focuses. Can you see that? Look at the engraving on the lipstick tube. Why in the world would you use this lipstick when it's that beautiful of an engraving? That is stunning. Stunning. Who does this? There's a girl sitting in a garden. Y'all, this is beautiful. No way would I use this. No way. Well, I would. Let's just be luxurious and use it. And there's their little logo right on the end. I don't know what that little bar is for. I don't know. Up, down. I don't know. Let's see. How's this go? What do y'all think? It's very crimson. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. That is a collector's item, y'all. Okay, next. Oh my gosh, y'all. I feel like everything in here is going to be like this. Next thing. It's called Florasis. Florasis. Floral Engraving Forest Aura Makeup Palette. I don't believe in auras, y'all. Some people believe in that in Eastern religions, and I don't buy into that. But I don't know. Flora also means flowers. So, look at that. Look at the beautiful box. That is not something to throw away. That is so lovely. Look at this. That's truly beautiful. That is giving attention to detail to, like, I can't think of a vendor that does that. I also can't get in it. Sorry, y'all. Because it is so tight in there. But I don't want to tear up the box, to be honest. There we go. Oh, man. I'm just trying to get in this. That's too much. See, I'm just trying to get in here. And I can't even get this to undo. Even a little bit. It's tearing it to undo it. No. That's too tight of packaging, y'all. Ow, about cut myself. There, okay, it lifted. Alright. Goodness. Okay. I do believe this is an eyeshadow palette. I went through the whole collection and decided what are the things I want. I loved the box that came with it all. And so I purposely, y'all, it's tight again. I can't get in it. And I don't want to tear this box. There. Okay, look at this. Look how tight that is. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Where's the actual? Oh my goodness. Hold on, look at this. Oh my gosh. Y'all, look at this. Look at this. I don't let it focus. Is that beautiful? I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. Okay, while we're at it, let's just open it. Look at even the closure piece. Here goes. I haven't looked either. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. Why would you ever? Those are good colors, except for that kind of orangey tone. Everything else is perfect for me. Wow. Wow. That is stunning. We will be doing tutorials. Okay, next. What's this? Makeup sponge. Can they even make a makeup sponge look fancy? I don't know. There. Here's the pretty little box again. It's hard to get at everything, but I think that they want everything to be a slow and enjoyable experience, and actually it should be if I didn't have to film faster. It's just a makeup sponge. But look how pretty. Just the box for the makeup sponge. Okay. Next. What's this? I don't know. Okay, hold on. Here we go. Cutting through them, cutting through them, cutting through. What's this? Y'all, my little knuckles have got so much arthritis in them, I can't even get my fingers back out of the scissors very fast. Okay, what is this? It's all in another language. Even the back's in another language. Even the sides are in another language. Okay, here. That's another language too. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Let's just tear all this plastic from the box and see if we can get in there and see what's in this beautiful box. What is it? I don't know. Oh gosh, here's one of those tight closure things again. Y'all, I don't know. Is it just me? But just like getting it to open and getting your thumb in there. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Okay, so sliding it out. Look at the beautiful marbleization of the box. And the gold writing. And look at this imprint here of a lily. That is a lily from a lily